Look at you. You're so pretty. I thought I'd bring Star and Belle out here in the snake room. Let them get some exercise. All these guys ate and they're all resting, so it's small snake day. One day is big snake day, next day small snake day. This is pretty Belle, my clown. Yeah, you're eating today. I got food throwing in the house. That's why I brought you out here, let you hang out and get some exercise before you eat. You're so pretty. Beautiful snakes. I really love the patterns and colors on the clowns. Somebody looks like what belonged to she sheds. You know, you're getting a little crusty looking on top there. There you are, Belle. You're getting a little crusty on your head. She's growing really great. Beautiful girl. I'm really loving the clowns. They are such pretty snakes. They really offer a lot to any breeding project people are doing with ball pythons. So, wow, I'm out in the snake room. I haven't been out here before. This is the big kids' room. You guys get the house, so I can watch you constantly. This is the big kids' room out here. Don't go diving off the futon. No, that's not going to be good. She's looking for Star. She and Star live together. They have from the first day I got them. I've tried to separate them. It won't happen. They stress out so bad I have to put them back together every time. And they're so cute. They're always coiled up together. They hang out and watch TV together. They fall asleep on my bed together, sitting with me watching TV at night. I have a lot of breeding projects next year for my ball pythons. I'm really looking forward to it. I took a couple of years off to get my snake room up and everything and get organized. No, you can't go behind there. No. You'll be good. What are you doing? What are you doing? Blah, blah, blah. Blah, blah, blah. It's a camera, silly. You want to come out too, Star? Star's a wiggle worm. Star doesn't stay still for long. Here, you hang out with Belle now. Is that better? You got your friend back. You got your friend back. Yeah, you do. You got your friend back. They're both about due to shed, actually. But they're just inseparable. They're always together, always coiled up together. If I take one out, I have to take them both out or they stress out so bad it just drives me crazy watching them act like that. No, can't go behind there, sweetie. Best friends. People say snakes aren't social animals. That's not true at all. These guys are the best of friends. Well, ladies, excuse me, I'm sorry. They are best of friends in every way. So we're going to get into mischief. You gave us free roam, so we're going to roam. I believe snakes need it. They should have the option to express themselves. With Belle climbing the back of the futon. I think they should be able to express themselves, have some activities and exercise. No stuff. I don't want you diving off the futon. No, you stay off the edge. Belle's going up. Where are you going, Belle? Ball pythons are awesome. They're really super good snakes to have as pets if you want to spend time hanging out with them. And they love to cuddle. They love to snuggle up with you and spend time with you. I just thought I'd bring them out. That's the TV going in the other room, in the living room. Where are you going? Come back here. We're not going to get crazy now. No, we're not going to get crazy. But they're getting really big. I do videos and stuff to show the breeders how the babies are doing, how they're progressing, that I got from them. I think it's the proper thing to do, the courteous thing to do, to let them know that the babies they produced are doing great now. That's what you call plastic tote full of danger noodles. These are my Pastave males and my 2 Enchi females. And everybody's eating today. Look at them. Look at me. Look at me. Where do you think you're going? Huh? Where are you going? Hey, food's over here on the other side of you. It's food day, huh? We got Enchi normals and Pastaves in here. Where are you going? So we're gonna go check out that big carpet python up there. We gotta go see what that thing is, huh? They're so curious. Nope. Time for a nose boop. Boop boop. And yeah, I'm sorry. And yeah, we still have to prompt some of them to eat the Pastaves because they were cyst-fed for 6 months because a breeder lied to me about them eating independently when I got them. They didn't have a clue what food was or how to eat it. So it's been trial and error with those 4 Pastave males right down the line. Where you going? Stay in here. Stay here. Stay here. Oh my gosh. Wiggle worms. You're a wiggle worm. A box full of noodles. 2 of them keep trying to break out. The Enchis are like, we're going away. You're not feeding us. We're going to go get our own, lady. Snakes are so entertaining. They're beautiful. They're all beautiful. You got more coming.
Relax. Where do you think you're going, pal? Nope.
And another one.
Listen.
Wiggle worms. That's why I call them wiggle worms. Here we go. Out again.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
So I'm listening to you talk to me.
Hi.
He's listening to you.
Can I help you?
Aw, isn't that cute? Look at him. Whoop. Time to retract. We're leaving. No, you're not. You just think you are. Back in the...
Really?
You know?
Uh-huh.
A box full of happiness. They are. They're awesome. I love snakes. Get back in there. You know better. They have such amazing personalities and they're all very different from each other. Where are you going? You know. No. No, no, no. Wiggle worm. Here we go. We're out. Okay.
Where do you think you're going? I'm trying to run away.
Mm-hmm. So we're going to get our dinner. You people are sitting there horsing around talking and we're going to go get food. Get back in there. Come on. That's enough already.
It's enough out of you. Hey, get back here, you.
Yep. No. No. You're not coming out. This one's sitting here staring at me. Wait for me to offer dinner. One at a time. We can't feed you all together. That's not a good thing to do. So you have to compete with each other for food. We don't do that.
Rat. Got my finger there, buddy.
We don't.
Come here.
We don't feed them together. That way they don't have to compete against each other for food. Somebody's looking for trouble. You stay still. Stars my wiggle worm. Where are you going? No, you're not. You just think you are. Nope. They're getting big really fast. They're great eaters. Both of them are. Star, you stay here. No. 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 Belle's cozy. She's just comfortable where she's at. Star's roaming. Belle's been out a little longer than Star, though. Hey, chill out. Chill out. Relax. So I'm not relaxing. I know it's feeding day. Are you crazy? You crazy? Yeah, I smashed my finger with a hammer. What are you doing? People ask me how my snakes get so big. It's not so much what I feed them. They eat rodents just like other snakes do, but it's how much activities they have and how much exercise they get. You know, if you think of them like a bodybuilder, they pack on the fat and carbs and weight, and then they exercise to turn that fat into muscle. Snakes do the same exact thing. If you keep feeding them and all they do is lay around, they're not using up very much energy at all, so they're not turning that fat content into muscle. So that's why all my snakes are so big for what species they are, is because they all come out of their enclosures and they get plenty of exercise. So all that fat that they're building up from all the food they eat is turning into muscle. They should be able to express themselves freely. These aren't prisoners. You know, there's no reason for them to be locked up and isolated from all the activities around them. Yeah, I'm firm about that. It bothers me. I don't bash breeders by no means. I think the world of breeders, because most of them that I've talked to and met do an excellent job of caring for their snakes. But I think there comes a time when you have to retire the females and let them enjoy the rest of their lives and live out their lives, having some closeness to people and some activities. And, you know, there's an age they reach where I think you should retire them from breeding. Let them enjoy what's left of their lives. It's just my opinion. Be nice. You headbutted Belle. I love them all. I have no favorites. I am kind of partial to the carpet pythons because of their extreme personalities. I find it very endearing, and I love a good challenge. And when they're babies, they can be a really good challenge. Trust me. Where we going, Star? No. Blow your roll, Star. That spot on her back, it's so strange. It was just one little dot, and it has 3 scales in the middle of it that are brown. So it looks like a heart if you look at it from the right angle. It's really interesting. It looks like she has a heart in the middle of that dark circle. It wasn't your cue to get off on the floor now. But it looks like a heart. See it? 3 brown scales right in the middle of that round dot. That dot's got really big since I first got her. It was tiny when I first got her.